Hello,
Good morning,
Harsh.
ma'am.
Good morning. How's you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm also good. And how's your life going?
My life is going pretty normal, I would say, and
Okay. Because of
it's lockdown,
Corona.
so
Okay.
yes,
Now it's starting unlockdown, no?
yeah. From where I live, the restrictions have been lifted, but
From where
there are
I
still.
live, in, from where I live, no?
Sorry, ma'am.
From where I live, no? From there I live. You already live there, not belong to
Yes.
from where. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you can say at which place I live. So it's still
Okay.
under restriction. Okay.
Okay.
So what about your school, college classes?
So I was a first year postgraduate student, but I've been promoted to the next level without giving any exams. So
Lucky you. Of
yeah.
course.
So
Okay.
right now colleges are closed, and so are my classes. And I don't think I will be having any in-person classes in soon
This
time.
year also. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course, offline classes are impossible this year also. But your college
Yes.
can't provide online classes to you?
Yeah, it can provide online classes, but I don't think they have that system. I mean, online classes have been held before, so I think they can provide us with the online classes this time too. But I don't know about the connectivity and other issues. So, also, many students do not have the access to smartphones and better internet, so it's a problem for them. So it won't work for the college, for my college. So,
Okay,
but still,
fine.
they're trying their best.
Yeah, of course. Everyone is trying their best at this time. Okay, very
Yeah.
good. Okay, so in today's session, we will discuss about COVID-19. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So, would you like to start first?
Yeah, I would say that, well, as we all know, that COVID-19 is also another name for the coronavirus. And it's a series of diseases. It can vary from very mild disease, very mild fever, to the very severe infections, such as lung infections. So it has been around for like more than 1 year now, and
Yes.
people battling it, and it's still there are so many difficulties in curbing the spread of COVID-19, but people are trying their best. Healthcare workers are trying their best to control the spread. But from our side, we can also prevent ourselves from getting COVID-19 by taking some precautionary measures.
Yeah,
So
that's good. Yeah, as you said, COVID-19 is coronavirus. Basically, it started, its first case found in 2019. That's why it also
in
said, na,
December.
COVID-19. Yes, in
Yes.
December 2019 in China. The first case is found in China only. Okay.
Yeah.
So yes. So what are the precaution measures of COVID-19?
So, firstly, there's the immune system. There's the immunity, first of all, which prevents us not only from the COVID-19 but other diseases. So the immunity, first of all, is the one thing that can prevent, and other things might be the
It cannot be
isolation.
prevent. First thing is immunity. We have to build our immunity, good or strong.
Yeah.
So that we can prevent from corona. Na?
Yes, ma'am. So if we want to, I mean, it is also a chance for us to look for our other health problems, such as blood pressure, sugar levels, and there are also many problems which we can look in the wake of COVID-19. So if we are taking measures against the COVID-19 by increasing immunity, we have to start up with our health in the first place. For example, we have to
we should start. It's like necessity. So you can say we should start first.
Okay. Okay, so we should start first with our health itself, and things like diet. Diet plays a very important role in building immunity, and checking the minerals within a body and vitamin levels. So these are the things that play a very important role uh, in building our immunity, and
We should
also
follow a good diet with exercise
yes,
also. Exercise and yoga
yes,
also. Some
yes,
exercises and some yogas are very good to maintain our immunity system good.
yes.
Yes. Have you ever tried some yoga poses in the corona? As so many doctors suggest us to do pranayam daily for our immunity
Uh,
system.
I have actually, I have before, but right now I'm just not. I'm working out not in the form of yoga, but other forms of workout like cardiovascular
Okay.
workout
Okay,
and
that's
strength
good. Of
workout.
course.
Yes,
That's good. Good. Okay, so you are a health freak also,
yes, yes,
rather than a normal student. You are also health freak. Okay, that's a very good thing,
yeah,
Harsh. Okay.
yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so what are the impacts of COVID-19 in our society?
So COVID-19, first of all, due to the spread, due to its tendency to spread itself from one person to another person. Uh, as we all know, there's the restrictions and lockdown, and because of the lockdown, people cannot do their work, and people cannot uh, study well because of the lockdown. Like I said before, that there are so many people who do not have access to the better connectivity and better technologies to complete their
Okay.
studies. But there are so many people who cannot have the access to this, so they are being left out in this COVID-19, and
They are
there
left
is the
behind. We can say use the word behind, not like they left behind just because
yes,
of the
yes, okay.
technology. So they just left behind. We can't
So
cover up all these things.
yes. And if we look at the national level, there's already economic loss, and so many activities have been stopped. So because of the COVID-19, and so yes, there's an economic loss at the national level, and on an individual level, there are mental health issues as well
Yes, so many
because of
people went into depression also.
yes, went into depression, and so many people have lost their jobs, and that also made an impact on their mental health. And earlier when COVID-19, earlier when the lockdown was imposed in 2019, March 2019, there were so many migrant
It's not
laborers.
March
I mean,
2019, it's March 2020 when our first
sorry,
lockdown
sorry.
imposed. Yes, no
Yeah,
problem.
yeah, I misspoke. So in March 2020, when the lockdown was first imposed, there were so many migrant laborers who could not find a place to accommodate. So I mean, we are here living in our house, so I think we should be grateful. But there were so many people who could not find a place to stay for so long, and they had trouble from getting one place to another. So I think it also
They're
impacted them.
getting
So
trouble from here to their village, like to their permanent place, to reach their permanent
yeah,
place.
their permanent place to their hometowns, and so in and all, every section of society was affected by the COVID-19, from rich to poor. So it's affecting everyone on a different level. Some are finding it difficult to find. Now they have found a place to stay, but earlier it was difficult for them to find the place. But for who are staying at home, there are mental health issues, and they cannot go to their regular jobs and earn their regular income. So yeah, it's affecting the society on all same.
So basically, like people lost their jobs. So that financially, everyone is very affected. Some people lost
Yes,
their loved ones also, family members also, due to corona
yes. Huge
disease.
of loss of life. So this is also
Of
one of
loss
the
also.
factors.
Oh, that's a good thing. So
Yes, ma'am.
now, as we are recovering again by the second wave also. So now,
Yes,
according
ma'am.
to you, the government is right. It's lockdown is right according to government or not? Imposing
Well,
lockdown.
yeah. Earlier, when the restrictions were almost completely lifted before March this year, we were reporting, India was reporting 8,000 cases per day. But, because so that brought the sense of irresponsibility among the people. People stopped wearing masks, people stopped distancing themselves from other people.
They
So
stop
it
social
brought,
distancing, you can say.
yeah,
They don't
social
follow
distance.
social distancing.
Yes,
Okay.
and most of them stopped wearing masks, and there were social gatherings everywhere. So people became responsible. So if after, as we are recovering from the second wave, so this time we have to careful about being in the society, being in the gatherings, and we have to prevent ourselves from such gatherings, and also look after our health. So that way we can help. We can prevent the third wave of the COVID-19. So it won't be any soon.
Okay, Harsh, yeah, you have a good point on COVID-19. So, from the COVID-19 only, I took some vocabulary words. Okay, I'm giving you some
Okay.
vocabulary words. You have to tell me the meaning and then try to make some
Okay,
sentence on it. Okay. The first word
Okay,
is outbreak.
Outbreak. So outbreak,
It's not
it
hot,
means
it's outbreak. Out or UT. Outbreak.
yeah. So outbreak, yeah. So I can form a sentence like that. The COVID-19 outbreak has affected so many lives. Simple sentence. And
Okay.
due to COVID-19 outbreak, people are finding it difficult to go to their normal lives. And also COVID-19 outbreak is one of the impactful thing ever since the independence
Basically,
for
outbreak
India.
means is the first thing, like starting of that thing is okay. That is outbreak.
Yes.
Like
Yes.
if
Yes.
we talk about
Okay.
the COVID-19, the outbreak is from where? The Wuhan city of China. The outbreak
Yes,
is only
ma'am, yes.
from there, no? Then after
Okay.
that,
Okay.
it
So
becomes epidemic.
yes, then
Okay, so
okay.
what's the meaning of epidemic?
So epidemic. Actually, I remember the headline that I saw. So headline about the COVID-19. So it was saying that a new epidemic started in China. So it went something like that.
And it
So
start to spread other cities also in China. Then it becomes
yeah.
epidemic because in the first it's only in Wuhan city. Then after some time it spreads all over the China. It become epidemic for China. Okay.
Yeah.
But when WHO declares it pandemic, okay, after
Yes.
some time WHO declares it pandemic. So now what's the meaning of pandemic?
So pandemic, when it spread almost all over the country, all over the world, and
Yes.
spread to other countries than China. So that's another level for the outbreak. That
In a funny
that
way,
can be
we
said
can
as
say
pandemic.
like in epidemic when we add P, like P is for passport. When we need to travel from one country to another, the same with a virus also. When
Yeah.
it
Yes.
travel
Yes.
from China to other countries, so it's become pandemic. Now it gets
Yes.
passport, na?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
In a funny way, just only like when we add something in pandemic P, the disease spread all over the world and affected mostly all over the people. So it becomes
Yes.
pandemic at that time.
Pandemic. Okay.
So now the coronavirus is pandemic disease because it's found in many countries. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
So the next word is contagious. Contagious.
So contagious. It means something that spreads, something that has a tendency to spread. So that is known as the contagious. So
yeah, like a communicable, you can say communicable disease. Like
yeah,
in corona,
communicable
we
disease.
can say communicable disease in a normal way. It spread from one person to another or one thing to another also.
Yes.
Okay. That's why like we need to wear mask, wash our hands regularly to prevent ourselves
Yeah.
from spreading the virus. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So in the coronavirus, we also learn to maintain social distancing. Like it's a
Yes, ma'am.
very main prevention method. So according to you, what is social distancing?
So social distancing, it means that the distance between a distance that stops from the spread of something, uh, that's that stops the contagious tendency from one person to another person. So that is the our distance at which uh, diseases are tend to not spread from one person to another. So that distance is known as the social distancing, in my opinion. Although
Yeah,
it may
it's
have
okay.
different
It's
meaning
fine.
in.
It's fine. Yeah, you are correct. The main the main motto of social distancing is to stay away people from other people so that the virus is not spread among the people. Na?
Oh,
So that's the
yes,
main
ma'am.
reason. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in the corona time, we heard about like we heard so many political parties have different opinion. They applied different rules for the people. So what according to you, like what is the role of that political parties in corona time?
So political parties, they are just trying to get in the good books of the people. So I
Some
mean, different
political
political
parties
parties.
also did racism in corona time
Yes, ma'am.
also.
Yes, ma'am. So like, yeah, I mean, racism against the people, especially who are from the northeastern
Mm,
states, they are also facing, because they have the similar features as the people who live in China. So,
China, of
uh,
course.
so there, so there is a sense of stigma in our society, and so yes, people are being discriminated against, and yes, political parties, they just try to get in the, they just politicize everything. It can be anything.
If
It
you
can be
heard
virus
about
or
like
anything.
Delhi government in starting when the cases are in peak in Delhi, so our leader Kejriwal ji, they also said na,
Yes,
कि
ma'am.
they don't allow other state peoples to come in Delhi and
Yeah,
get
yeah.
treatment. Of course, it
Yes,
also
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
shows racism. You also heard about
Yeah,
these types of news, na?
yes,
So
ma'am.
you can
So,
also say कि this is also a racism by the
yes,
Delhi
ma'am. This is
government
also because,
only.
yeah, they were preventing the people from the other states to take the health facilities, because
Not
Delhi,
preventing,
there
they're
are,
just they said it's restrictions for them. No, they banned other state
yeah.
peoples to come to Delhi and get treatments.
Yes, ma'am. Also, and it was really not. It was not. It was really irrelevant, because Delhi is the union, and every state in country should offer the equal
Not only a
treatment.
union territory, Delhi is like capital of India, of course.
Yeah, Delhi is
Yeah,
also
we
the
have other
capital of
union
capital city.
territories, but capital is only one. So of course, the capital is the main thing for all, like for all people. So the all of the
Yeah.
peoples have also right to come to their capital and get whatever they like want from here.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
at this
So
time, the government shows their racism type with the labor's people also, as they don't allow to go to their houses or to do job something.
yes, ma'am. So yeah. So it also created that racist remarks and segregation, I would say, for the people. But
Do you
so
have any
yeah,
other
we should.
example that are like government did? If you heard about Bihar and Bengal elections gathering, as they
Yeah.
refused to gather
Yes.
us in marriage functions, in funeral functions also. But on the other side, the government gathered in a rallies.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I heard about the Bengal elections before the outbreak of the second wave. So
Our elections also we saw in the
yeah,
corona time,
elections.
the
Yes, yes,
rallies
there
in the
were
Bihar
march.
elections.
Yes, and there's so many religious activities also they were taking place during the wake of the pandemic. So that also affected, increased the number of the corona cases in the country. So and
Yeah, by the religious, as you said, we have like our Haridwar Kumbh, of course.
yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes,
just before the second wave of the corona, the government allowed to like to take bath in the Haridwar river, as in it is Kumbh. So of course, on the other hand, the government don't allow the people to like gather in the marriages and some even funerals also. So it also shows their racism policies.
Okay. But ma'am, I have a question. But if people are not being allowed to attend the funeral procession, sorry. So, but that might be because government might have the interest of the public in their mind. So I think that may also be the reason.
Of course, they have an interest of public in their mind, but on the other hand, when they have their like functions, like they have their rallies
Yeah,
in
yeah,
Bengal
yeah.
and Bihar, they gathered so many people, na? Not only 100
Yes,
or
ma'am. Yes.
200. But in our
Yeah,
marriages,
there were so
we
many
only
people.
gathered 100 or 200 only, and still they respected us.
Yeah, and I think if there is such a small gathering, so people take care of their people take care of their distancing from other selves. So if that's how the gatherings are happening, so I think that there's no any problem. So it should happen, but so yes, government should take all of these in mind and should not tend to be dual faced. When it comes to them, so they can do whatever they want, but when it comes to the general public, so they cannot uh, state their authority over them. So that is the point.
Yes. Okay. Very good, Harsh. Very good. So Harsh, yeah, so you spoke very well. Your fluency is very good while speaking, no problem in fluency. But the same thing, you have the vocabulary words problem, and the other problem
Yes.
is your grammatical errors of tenses. As I told you
Okay.
in the other sessions also, you just like brush up your tenses first, so that you don't like again do the mistakes of past and present errors. Okay. Otherwise, follow the same
Okay,
your
ma'am.
fluency level. Talk with your friends, talk with your teachers, other people's also, so that you can maintain your fluency. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
this
Okay, I
is
will
very
try that.
important for you to maintain your fluency.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sash. Good to see you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye. Take care.
Bye. Bye.